Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 3 with your friends online. Since the official servers for Red Alert 3 were shut down many years ago, the only reliable way to enjoy multiplayer is through a dedicated community effort. The C&C online platform provides a fantastic, free solution, allowing you to connect with other players and relive the classic real-time strategy action. It's a straightforward process that brings the game's online features back to life for everyone. To begin, you will need to register a free account on the C&C online website. This account will be your gateway to the community servers. Once registered, download and install the C&C online launcher. After installation, run the launcher and select the hook option from the menu. Then, choose Red Alert 3 from the list to integrate it with the client. This crucial step ensures your game can connect to the community servers for online play. With the client set up, launch Red Alert 3 by clicking its icon within the C&C online launcher. Once in the game, head to the online multiplayer section. Here, you will log in using the server account credentials you created earlier. After a successful login, you can access the custom match lobby. From there, you can easily join existing games or host your own, inviting up to 5 friends for epic battles across various maps. For the best experience, ensure everyone playing has Red Alert 3 patched to version 1.12, as this is the most stable for online play. A strong, consistent internet connection is also vital to prevent lag and ensure smooth gameplay. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, the C&C online community is incredibly helpful. Consider joining their Discord server. It's a fantastic resource for troubleshooting, finding players, and staying updated on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.